Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving all the interviews with a smile on your face. Thank you so much for that. So, Karan, tell me, you have been doing, becoming a good part of, the web series world. So tell me one thing, the one reason which made you say yes to the show. Was it Balaji? Was it your character? Or what?
I think there are a lot of reasons, as I said before as well. When you talk about the scale at which it happened in Calcutta is being made, I think it was a big opportunity for me to step up my game. This show has been in the works for the past 2.5 years, and if that entire team, suggests my name, and the makers, Ekta ma'am, has the confidence in me to pull it off, especially a character like Ronabir and a show like It Happened in Calcutta. It just makes me a bigger brand for myself. So I think it was an opportunity that I could not have missed. This is the trade point of view. And then when you hear the story, first of all, it's based in the 60s. It's based in two eras. It's a love story. All of that. Now what we see is what we used to visualize when we used to get narrations. The story, the tragedy in it, the confusion, the revolution, the era itself. I could not have said no. Even I would have fought for this show.
Gee, yes.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, how there is like 250 to 300 girls who audition for your role. What do you
No.
think?
So there were a lot of people who
it's
would
funny.
come in. Over 1,000 auditions. 300 were locked for the final, and then out of that, I think without audition only.
Yeah, and the funny story, when I went for the audition and I saw the girls were looking at me, staring at me, I was like, why? And then someone was like showing me my pictures, like, isn't this you? I was like, yeah, that's me. How? So apparently they were sending my picture as a reference for the look to everybody. Like, this is the look. So maybe they saw it in me before when they met me, and even before I auditioned. And when I auditioned, and they must be like, okay, fine, this is the one. But I think जब मैंने ये शो साइन किया था तब मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये क्या है. लाइक आई ओनली गॉट टू नो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट, एंड देन व्हेन आई एक्चुअली गॉट टू, क्योंकि मुझे सुनने से and all people are talking, I don't actually care, but when I see it I believe it. So when I saw it I was like, wow, this is actually really nice. And then I realized how blessed I am to be given this chance as my first. And I'm really thankful to Ekta ma'am, Ken sir, everyone else, Karan, everyone on this project. Of course.
Just
Were you
Gee.
excited or nervous when you got to know that Karan is going to be paired?
No. So I am, so I was not nervous, or I was excited because it's fun, like you're going to work with someone who has been so in this industry since 11 years and he knows his game. And and when I met Karan, we just had a connection. So I think that connection was so there, and so like it just helped us to be like, ऐसा लग रहा था कि जानते ही एक दूसरे को. So it nervousness तो नहीं था, but excitement था, काफ़ी help भी मिली, काफ़ी ज़्यादा.
I like it when I am curious about people, and Nagma was somebody that I was curious about. I wanted to find out कि ये क्या सोच रही है, क्यों ऐसे सोच रही है, इसका क्या vision है, ये क्या मतलब when she says something, so that interests me. And when you are interested in somebody, automatically the chemistry will come out, and that was just the beginning. And when we found out that we are both Librans, I'm from a very different background and she's from a different background altogether.
Completely different.
But there were similarities, the way we thought, the way we treated people, the way we like to be treated, what's important for us, and the same work ethics, the same sincerity, the same honesty towards our work, towards people. Very gullible, this one. So I think the initial, and then there was Ken Ghosh, who was sitting on our heads, and so it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And yes,
Absolutely.
because there was curiosity.
In short, I can say that we, on surface level, we are different. We like different things, but in the core, we are same.
Pretty much.
We are kind of same.
Have you ever seen, Karan's
Gee.
work, and what work has actually, you really liked Karan? Be it serial, web series?
I don't think she's seen any of
I
them.
haven't actually. But my cousin was a big fan of Karan Kundra and she had a huge crush on him. And I was like, ye kaun hai? But Karan, I had no idea what he is as a person, as an actor. And only when I met him and when I saw him working, I can tell you honestly, I was like, wow. I was like, wow. So, because जब मेरा blank space में उसने ऐसे colors भर दिए था, I was like, हाँ, I was really impressed by him.
Karan, when you perform any duties or responsibility, normally senior actor को करना पड़ता है, newbie के साथ to support him emotionally or scene-wise, anything.
Obviously, there's a lot that was done to us when we were new. It's only a responsibility that we would do that as well. But that only happens if the other person is willing to take it. I've worked with people who think too much of themselves, and they don't like it, or they have ego issues. Nagma, on the other hand, is the simplest, most beautiful person that you can actually teach. She has no inhibitions, she has no ego, she's always willing to learn, she's always ready to make, realize that she made a mistake. She will not get angry about it. Even after 17 takes, if we say ki nahi, she doesn't get frustrated. Her attitude at work was just brilliant. But also what happens is that, I've realized that Nagma is, when she's giving a take, she's too much into it. And at that very moment, I also, as somebody who's supporting her in that scene, I don't want her to be worried about her lighting. I don't want her to be worried about her placement. I don't want her to be worried about what her hair is looking like. So
right now
I would happily.
Yeah.
In your life who have been really about your hair.
There are a lot of people, and it can get quite frustrating at times as well, because you come back and check your shot, you're not checking your performance, you're actually checking what you're looking like. I mean, that's not gonna last.
Yeah.
Nagma is somebody who doesn't care.
I don't give a
she has no clue where her hair is. And that is something that I like. So if I'm managing her light, if I'm managing her facing, if I'm managing her hair in the middle of the shot, I would happily do that.
Okay, that's the question that I asked. When it comes to, because obviously primarily there's a lot of there's web series, but it is a love story. So when it comes to have that on-screen chemistry, which will the audience, do you have to वो efforts लेने पड़े organically? You have to do the workshops. How was it?
Chemistry?
I don't think we needed any workshops as such.
I think natural tha.
Natural tha. See, what again, coming back to the same thing. When you meet somebody and you find things that you respect about that person, professionally, personally, because when you're shooting, you pack up. So if you're in Calcutta, we are shooting, we're packing up. All of us are going out. So we know each other personally as well. So when we are shooting, we are also hanging out at Ken's house. So we know each other personally as well. There are things that you start finding out about a person कि ये बंदा या ये लड़की कैसी है. If you have that respect for that person, then you will automatically, that respect comes into the shot as well. Like for example, if I'm shooting with Ratan, who is being played by Harman Singh, अगर कोई scene है जहाँ पे उसने he has to come and beat the hell out of me. The fact that I respect Harman and I respect his work ethic and I know that he's doing this, I would let him.
Yeah.
For me to change a scene is, I'm 11 years old in the industry. I can change stuff smartly. I can take the scene away. हो जाता है, आप सीख जाते हो कि कैसे करना है. So so all of that comes. So with me, from my side, Nagma, there was a curiosity about ये क्या है. What is this girl about?
Did you find out?
I'm still, it's the process. Yes, I'm still finding out. And B, the kind of person she is, you want to, be nice around that person. She's the tribe होती है ना. When somebody is like in your tribe, then chemistry. और आप वो lines तो बोल ही रहे हो, तो automatically आ जाएगा. इसको touch करते हो तो उसको goosebumps आते हैं. So all of that, you notice these things about somebody. And what upsets her. Okay, I know how to make her mood better if she gets and she's very simple.
You played your part of very well.
Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying. That is interpersonal.
Yeah.
What me and Nagma react to transcends onto the scene as
Yeah.
well. So if there is a heavy duty scene where she's screaming at me and I need to calm her down, I would calm her down how I would probably calm Nagma down, and that would transcend into chemistry
Yeah.
because what I do will her reaction would be the same and it will work. So and that's what is required by the scene. And kissing scenes is the same, romantic scenes are the same. So it's an interpersonal thing. So
Nagma, any work?
G. For our chemistry?
Yeah, was it naturally worked or I think?
No, I think, yeah, current, as Karan said, it was, I think with Karan, a special connection ban chuka tha from the beginning. We have a special connection and that was cute. तो वो हमने, I understand him and he understands me. So that we got it on the screen, and there was a scene which is very intense and we got it in one take. And because, that scene, and that scene,
not really.
you'll see that scene and you'll know which scene we are talking about.
It's actually a scene where they meet. After
It's an
a
expression
period
of love,
years.
yeah, and
And the first
it's
time
just
what happens?
it was just flowing. The scene was just flowing. Everybody was quiet on the set and everybody was there because वो just ऐसा लग रहा था because it was flowing. Karan comes on the mark and I'm already there and we're just talking and there's a kiss. It's beautiful. So I think it was all there. Respect.
Okay, I was just interesting to ask
Ji.
the last question. As said, see, non-romantic scenes, it's a part of the natural
Ji.
process of a story, and and everyone I think is quite cool now. But Karan, I want to ask from you when you started, your career, what was your take back then on such scenes, or now how much you're comfortable or remote when it comes to such scenes?
See, as somebody who spent a decade in the industry, I know where a kiss is required. I know where we are not selling the kiss. I know exactly how it works now, right? So, of course, I'm involved enough to understand that whether a director or somebody just wants it because he wants to show it in the promo and sell it, or where the director is genuine. And so now I have more understanding about the scripts, about the feel, about the intensity, about the story and what's required when. So me and Nagma had a conversation about that as well. जब नहीं चाहिए होती है तब नहीं चाहिए होती, because on a show like Calcutta we don't need kisses and skin show to sell the show, because so of course I have a better understanding. That time I didn't understand why we were blankly listening to people who were directing us or who were working for us. But now obviously it's been a decade, so we know.
Nagma,
Ji.
what was your first web?
For? Yes. Okay.
The first web. So, of course, everyone knows it's a natural process, but were you skeptical of, did you had,
Yes.
how have you performed,
Huh.
especially, it's with also,
Yes, I remember I was a little nervous. My first time acting kar rahi hu, kiss. So it's kind of like, it's there in your head. But first time he went to drop me home and we were having this conversation in the car, and that time we discussed, and then Karan told me in his words, like, why do we see people kissing and why that kiss scene is there, and the logic he made was like exactly what I meant. And when I had the first kiss scene in this series, I know the feeling of that scene because of the dialogues and everything was there, and then you just go for it. It was just there. It's just your body reacting because with the whole feeling and intensity. It's just how reality is, right? That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Lastly, my fans को message देंगे.
जी.
I just want to know what was the most challenging part of the character which you portrayed. Was it the emotion, or was it all the to set you कि आप वैसे लगे, कि आप 60 or 70s के era में. What was the most challenging part?
I think the challenge was actually becoming Ronabir and spending those 9 months that I did spend with him. I bring in a lot of myself into my characters. So the challenge was that, and the physical transformation was the least of my, the least painful of my challenges. As I said, there was a very thin line between being naughty and being vulgar, thin line between being a villain and being a hero who's still not found his footing. So Ronabir is a very, very tricky character, you know, he's obviously
killed it.
he's obviously author backed, but as I said, very tricky because he's not doing anything right, and still you love him. So you know, you have to feel him, you have to be him. So that was the challenge, and other than that, I think the scary bit was, you know, which I understood was that it's a very big show, and I've been trusted by it, and the right people have trusted me with it. It is going to be a mark in my career. So वो सब तो था ही, because and that's what pushes me as well. But once I started enjoying, you know, playing Ronabir, then it was just
Killed it,
awesome.
my love.
Killed it.
For me, see, again, for someone who's new and who doesn't have any idea, everything becomes a challenge. But then again, you can see it in another perspective, is that everything again was exciting. So you can say कि I accepted it very nicely that मुझे नहीं आता, सिखाओ मुझे, सिखाओ. तो मैं रेडी थी सीखने के लिए क्योंकि मुझे नहीं आता. तो चैलेंज वही था, सीखना था, और सीख रही हूँ, अभी भी सीखूंगी. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.